Welcome back to today's video. I am Lakan Tanwani, your health guide, and I am thrilled you are here with me today. Today, we are talking about one of the simplest, healthiest, and most underrated breakfast options, that is oatmeal. It's affordable, versatile, and incredibly nutritious. But what exactly happens to your body when you eat oatmeal every day? If you are curious about how this humble superfood can transform your health, stick around because I'm breaking it all down for you. And trust me, some of these benefits might even surprise you. Before we deep dive into, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and drop a comment letting me know if oatmeal is already a part of your daily routine. Let's spread the word about this powerhouse food. Now, let's get into it. First, let's talk about the heart. Oatmeal is packed with a type of soluble fiber called beta glucan. This fiber is amazing because it helps lower your LDL cholesterol, often referred to as the bad cholesterol. When you eat oatmeal, beta glucan forms like a gel-like substance in your digestive tract that binds to cholesterol and helps flush it out of your body. Regularly eating oatmeal can reduce your risk of heart disease and keep your arteries healthier. So, by starting your day with a bowl of oats, you are literally giving your heart a gift. Next is your gut health. Oatmeal is a prebiotic food, meaning it feeds the good bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for digestion, immunity, and even the mental health. The fiber in oatmeal keeps things moving smoothly in your digestive system, preventing constipation and improving overall gut function. Over time, eating oatmeal can help you feel less bloated and more regular, which is a win for anyone who struggles with digestive issues. Let's not forget about your energy levels. Oatmeal is a complex carbohydrate, which means it provides a steady release of energy throughout the day. Unlike sugary cereals that give you a quick energy followed by a crash, oatmeal keeps your blood sugar levels stable. This makes an ideal breakfast option, especially if you have a busy day ahead or want to power through your morning workouts. Adding some fruits, nuts, or drizzle of honey can make it even more energizing and delicious. Oatmeal can also work wonders for your weight management. Because it's also high in fiber, oatmeal keeps you feeling full for longer. This reduces the likelihood of overeating or snacking on unhealthy foods later in the day. Studies have shown that people who eat oatmeal regularly tend to have better control over their weight. So, if you are trying to lose or maintain the weight, oatmeal can be a fantastic tool in your arsenal. Now, let's talk about your skin. Yes, oatmeal benefits your skin too. Oats are rich in antioxidants and compounds called avenotheramides, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Eating oatmeal can help reduce inflammation in your body, which in turn can lead to healthier and clearer skin. So, if you struggle with conditions like eczema or acne, incorporating oatmeal into your diet might be a game changer. Another surprising benefit of eating oatmeal every day is its impact on your immune system. The beta glucan fiber we talked about earlier doesn't just help with cholesterol, it also boosts your immune system by enhancing your body's ability to fight infections. Oatmeal is also a great source of zinc, selenium, and iron, which are all essential for maintaining a strong immune system. So, if you are concerned about blood sugar, oatmeal has got you covered. While it's a carb, the fiber in oatmeal slows down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. This helps prevent blood sugar spikes and crashes, making it a great breakfast choice for people with diabetes or those trying to manage their blood sugar levels. Pairing oatmeal with protein rich toppings like Greek yogurt or nuts can further enhance its blood sugar stabilizing effects. And let's not forget about your bones. Oatmeal is a good source of phosphorus, magnesium, and manganese, all of which play a role in maintaining strong, healthy bones. While it's not as rich in calcium as dairy products, pairing it with calcium fortified plant based milk or a handful of almonds can make it a bone strengthening meal. Finally, oatmeal is a budget-friendly superfood. It's one of the most cost-effective ways to get a ton of nutrients in a single meal. Whether you prefer rolled oats, steel-cut oats, or instant oats, they are all great options. Just be mindful of flavored instant oatmeal packets as they often contain added sugars. So you can opt for plain oats and sweeten them naturally with fruits, cinnamon, or a drizzle of maple syrup. So what's the bottom line? Eating oatmeal every day can improve your heart health, boost your energy, support your gut, manage your weight, enhance your skin, strengthen your immune system, and even help you stabilize your blood sugar levels. So it's a simple yet powerful addition to your diet that can make a huge difference over time. Now, before we wrap up, I would love to hear from you. What's your favorite way to enjoy oatmeal daily? Do you like it sweet with bananas and honey, or a savory with some avocado and a poached egg? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends and family who might benefit, and follow our channel for more health and wellness tips. Oatmeal might be a small bowl of food, but it can make a big impact on your health. So start your day strong, and as always, take care and stay healthy. And I will see you in the next video.